Hey guys, welcome to our channel tutarena. In this video, I'll show you how to clear search history on Instagram app. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Let's start. At first, you have to open the Instagram app. And here, at the bottom, you can see the search bar. Tap right here. And at the top, you can see the search option. Tap right here. And right there at the screen, you can see your recent search history. And here you can delete them by tapping right here. You can clear them one by one like this. But if you guys want to clear all the search history, then you have to tap right here. And here you have to tap clear all. Tap right here. For your confirmation, if it will ask you if you want to clear all the search history of your Instagram app. In that way, you won't be able to undo this. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts you have searched for as suggested results. Now tap clear all. As you guys can see, I have cleared the search history of my Instagram app. In that way, you can also clear your search histories in Instagram app. See how easy it is? If this video helped you, then make sure to subscribe our channel. And if you guys want to watch more videos like this, then visit to our channel where you can find a lot of videos like this. See you with another video. Till then, bye-bye.